Take a look at this modern Caddy. 2012 Cadillac CTS 4 Performance Sport Wagon. Now, this particular car, two-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, regular oil change schedule, nice looking car in crystal red tint coat. Let's take a good close look at this front fascia. Not full of nicks, dings, rock chips, scratches, anything like that. Adult driven, well maintained. Powered by the 3.6 liter underneath the hood. That would have 318 horse in 2012 with 275 pound-feet of torque. That 3.6 liter is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior of this, underside, engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, you're going to see a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. We're going to check out all those still pics. You can also call us too, 507-386-1726. Paint on this car, very presentable. Look up and down the sides of it. Free of door dings, scratches. Riding on alloy wheels. Hankook radials. This would have the ebony leather interior to it. Also would have sunroof, power sunroof, of course. A lot of the other amenities that you would get with a Cadillac, like the heated and ventilated seats, dual climate control, driver's information center, steering wheel controls. You can see dual exhaust coming out of the back of this. Of course, the CTS 4 would designate this as an all-wheel drive. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All the way around this car, paint. Great condition, as you can see. Rear backup sensors in the bumper there. Nice luster, good shine to this car. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Again, free of door dings, nicks, scratches. Power rear hatch. Take a look at these rear seats. Hardly look like they've been sat in. And again, ebony leather. You'll be able to check that out in the still pictures. I got pictures of the hatch door open. CTS rubber floor mats, like it would have came with. As you can see, driver's power seat there. Of course, memory seating over here on the door, power windows. Again, there's for that power hatch, power locks, power mirrors, Bose stereo system, your driver information center control, power tilt, telescopic wheel, center console, the automatic shifter. Let's go ahead and start this up. Close the door so we can get the... And I'm going to need the key. Sorry about that. Tell you what, let me pause this 1 second. I'm going to grab the key. Alright, let's try that again. Sorry about that. As you can see there, rain sensing wipers. And we'll get the exact miles. There we go, 84,024. And again, two owner, clean Carfax, confirms those miles. As you can see, no warning indicator lights, anything like that. Just a seatbelt light down the bottom left. So I don't have my seatbelt on. Dash in nice shape. It's not set out in the sun. You can tell this car has been stored indoors. AC is blowing cold. Here's your dual climate controls. Of course, ventilated and heated seats. And all the monitored amenities you would have on the Cadillac stereos in 2012. There's your controls for the power sunroof. Very smooth running, quiet engines in these. A blast to drive. Very quiet cars, responsive. Elegant rear end of these too. Look at that. Nice looking car, all lit up. I'm going to slip up to the front. We're going to pop the hood. Why don't you take a look at this engine bay. So nice and clean. All taken care of that is too. So hold on one second. Let's pop that.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Good. All right, first off, take a look at the hood liner. This car does not look like it's been driven in much at all for inclement weather. Hood strut working fine. Not a lot to see underneath the engine compartment in these, the way they have them finished off. More like an import. Strut tower brace. And again, this would have the performance package. And as you can hear, smooth running, 3.6 liter underneath there. Beautiful car in the crystal red tint coat. Looking for a more modern day wagon? Here you go, 2012 Cadillac CTS 4 Performance Sport Wagon. 2-owner car, clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. We can check out the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.